to all real article people, don't worry yourself. Why? What Pinchers tell them?
No worry, you no worry, you no worry, you no worry yourself. No, no, no. No worry, you no worry, you no worry, you no worry yourself. Let it all know. No worry yourself if you big on your broad. From heart to beating on your chest, eh? Don't worry yourself if you big on your broad. From heart to beating on your chest, eh? No little them should take what you pay. As long as you're running on your vein, no. No little them should take what you pay. As long as you're running on your vein, oh. Every luck is not the same. No, no, no. Every luck is not the same. No, no. Phenomenal 1, phenomenal 2, phenomenal 3 and 4. Yes, I am a singer from Jamaica, just for sure. I'll give you certain style, I want to cycle up a score. But when I flash the style, the crowd of people bought for more. Whoa, let me say, no call me certain name because the crowd.
One of the big points I want to make about Pinchers, he is very original. So a lot of these songs you hear, if not all, Pinchers wrote them himself, right? Yeah. Original Sing J style, see him? Real dancehall style. Pinchers was big on that songwriting. Okay, so back at it.
May get me wrong, just call me pop up into this the one phenomenal. Now call me off fight because me pass me gallant. Now call me Little John because me he's a big man. But I flash it on the style, I flash it on the pattern. But I keep up little rumpus and let me figure long. Hey, let me say no. Don't worry yourself if you big on your broad. From heart to beating on your chest, boy. Don't worry yourself if you big on your broad. From heart to beating on your chest, no. No little legend should not take away your fame. As long as blood are running on your vein, no. Cause every luck is not the same. No, no, no. Every luck is not the same. No, not at all. Phenomenal 1, phenomenal 2, phenomenal 3 and 4. But I hear some pop-up in the cup for cycle down the store. But I over Europe, England, them just love me to the core. But when me flash, I sell the crowd, the people bought for more. Whoa, let me say, no. No worry yourself if you're big and broad. From out of beating on your chest, eh? Don't worry yourself, but it's a big on your broad. Your heart is still a beating on your chest, boy. Oh, Peter can me say, you know you are the best. No boy can put you to a test, eh? Because you're better than the rest. Oh, yeah, yeah. Say you're better than the rest. All of the time. Cycle to the brown, I like the style you fling down. People uptown and all over town. Everyone a ball you down and say, no. Now worry yourself because you're big on your broad. Your heart's still a beating on your chest, eh? Now worry yourself because you're big on your broad. No boy can put you to a test, eh? Cause you're better than the rest, oh yeah. Hey, me say you're better than the rest. Eh, what I say? Mind I never mind. Oh, mind I know, I'll never mind them. When me say, phenomenal 1, phenomenal 2, phenomenal 3 and 4. Yes, I pop up and come for cycle down your score. But I used to crowd of people, them a ball out for more. But I even in the Jamaica, them love me to the core. Them say, pop up and say, you give me some more. Give me some more from my 6 and 4. Oh, where them say, never mind, son, son. Sonny, never mind. Oh, never mind, son, son. Sonny, never mind. When them say, no worry myself, and if my dick on my broad. Me heart still a beating on my chest, eh? Me no worry myself because my big on my broad. Heart still a beating my chest, boy. No little youth me shouldn't take me pain.
As long as blood are running on your vein, no worry yourself if you're big and you're broad. From heart to beating on your chest, yeah. From you have life, you're big and you're broad and you're massive. You don't have to have no name brand clothes, no name brand car. From you have your health, big up yourself. Basically, from you have health. Because without the health, you have nothing. And I can attest to that. The way that I was sick the past couple of weeks, I'm telling you, man, being healthy is very much a blessing. To be able to be functionable. Everything in your body will work according to the plan, you know. Anytime it get dysfunctional, man, may I tell you. So, from your heart a beating in your chest, and your blood a circulate, big up yourself. Don't worry yourself about nothing. Anything where negative can turn into positive. Anything where look impossible can turn into possibilities, many possibilities. So no worry yourself. From your big and your broad and heart a beating on your chest, just go and go through. Life will take care of the rest. Keep it locked to Solid Rock Entertainment. Like, comment, share, and subscribe for the vibe as we react and review to these classics, okay? No worry yourself if you're big and you're broad. From heart to beating on your chest, oh.